elements. But tell the browser how to display the content. Basically, the web browser will read the HTML documents and display them correctly.
Our dataset includes student names, subjects they've taken, their scores, and the test dates. We'll use this information to create an insightful pivot table.
You should know how a blockchain works at a high level, its use cases and limitations. Let's dive in. At its core, a blockchain is a special type of database. Access to the internet was limited via devices like the desktop, tablet, or smartphone. But now with IoT, practically all appliances can be connected to the internet. Robotics is the engineering of robots. It combines the use of electronics, mechanics, and software to program robots to do particular jobs.
You can create your own sound if the device you are using has a microphone for voice recording. To do this, you must go to Choose a Sound in the bottom left corner of the Sounds menu.